TradeView TraderPro. Allocation block orders. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss allocation block orders. An allocation block is a group of accounts that will be traded together in the same order. This allows a discretionary trader or commodity trading advisor, or CTA, to place an order into several client accounts at once, rather than having to place individual orders directly into client accounts. Allocation Block Manager. To set up an allocation block, go to the Trading menu, then Allocation Blocks, and select Allocation Block Manager. If you do not see this option available, contact your introducing broker or the support team to activate the feature. To create an allocation block definition, click on the New button and type in a name. For example, I'll name the definition Strategy A. Then, select the accounts to be part of the block order. To add an account, highlight on the left side and click on the single right arrow. To add all available accounts, click on the double right arrow. To remove an account, highlight the account on the right side and click on the single left arrow. To remove all accounts, click on the double left arrow. If an account is not visible on the left-hand side, contact your introducing broker or the support team. For our example Strategy A, let's select the first account number of each client. Designate one lot to the first two clients and 2 lots to the last 3 clients. You will see the total lots listed as 8 in the bottom left. Finally, select an allocation rule. There are 3 choices. Low account, low price. In the event of a split fill, the first account will be allocated the lowest price. Low account, high price. The first account will be allocated the highest price. Average price system, or APS. All accounts will receive the same averaged price. Several allocation block definitions can be created. To create another, click on the New button and repeat the same setup steps. Let's call the new definition Strategy B and assign 10 lots to every account. Please note, the smallest possible denominator should be used to ensure fills are allocated as evenly as possible. Instead of assigning all accounts 10 lots, assign each account 1 lot. Then, when placing the order, send 10 times the block order. This will be discussed later in the video. To modify allocation block definitions, select from the drop-down list. Then, make the necessary changes and press OK. To delete allocation block definitions, select from the drop-down list. Then, click on Delete and press OK. Place orders. Block orders can be placed on the order ticket, trade mode, or depth of market. Select the block definition name in the account drop-down list. Then, adjust the order quantity and place the order. You can trade allocation orders in multiples of the total lots defined in the Allocation Block Manager. For example, Strategy B was configured to trade 7 lots. To trade 10 times the allocation order, toggle the quantity to 70. Rejections. If an allocation order causes an order rejection due to insufficient funds or other risk violation reasons, a dialog window will appear. You can choose to reject the order in its entirety by choosing No, or modify the block order to exclude the account causing the rejection by choosing Yes. If you want to permanently remove the account that caused the rejection, check the box Save Adjusted AB and type in a new name or choose an existing name. Then, Press Yes to place the adjusted order. To see the order details, click on the plus sign to the left of the block name. The breakdown of accounts will appear, showing each client will receive one lot.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.